assignment for the what is lab class. You have to write a reverse the links of a list, and reverse form will be stored in another list. Okay, so write a program which will create a list which will be a reversed form of an existing list. Okay. So you may write this. Let me present. Okay. Write a program to reverse the links of a list with the help of another list. Okay. Means this one.
ম্যাম স্যার কোশ্চেনটা একটু একবার দেখাবেন, আমি ওটাকে স্ক্রিনশট তুলে নিই একবার।
আগে বুঝে নে। Reverse the linked list with more than 2 nodes, ठीक है? With more than 2 nodes. So this will be your original list. Okay. So you have to create another list which will be the reversed form of the original one. Now you can see this is the beginning node. In here, this 42 node containing 42 was the last node of the list. Okay. Now after you create the second one, another list which is getting the form of reverse form of the original one, where the last node of the original list will be the first node 42, 20 or this way. Got it? Okay. And I also told you the hint that you have to add at beginning of the linked list, which you have done it 1 month earlier. Okay, so this will be your program. Write a program to reverse the links of a list with the help of another list. Got it? So all of you start writing the code. Don't waste your time. Okay, within 350 you have to complete. Okay.
স্যার সেভ করব কি দিয়ে, সেভ করব কি নামে?
সেটা তোর যা খুশি, একটা মিনিংফুল নেম দে।
রিভার্স লিংক লিস্ট বলে দিয়ে দাও।
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ, all of you start writing the code. You start sharing the screen one by one.
When you complete the coding,
Jayati ma'am,
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
I want all of them to share the screen
Yes, yes.
for once, because I want to see that they are writing the code.
Yes, yes, sir. Definitely, sir, sure.
So
Okay,
start
when
sharing
yeah,
this one screen.
okay,
All
when
of
you
them.
complete your coding, you just knock us and then share your screen one by one. Okay.
But right now I want to see
Yeah,
them
exactly.
writing the
স্যার
code.
স্যার
Okay,
বলছি
okay,
আমার
okay.
না ল্যাপটপে ওয়াইফাইটা নেই স্যার, আমি স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে পারবো না, বাট আমি আপনাকে ব্যাক ক্যামেরা করে দেখাতে পারি।
হ্যাঁ, যেভাবে হোক দেখালেই হলো,
যেভাবে
prove that you are
ওকে স্যার।
writing the code.
Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
you all of you share your screen that you are
One by
writing
one.
the code. Okay, one by one. First, on number. Ayanabo, share your screen.
Ayanabo,
দেখাচ্ছি স্যার। সবে সবে সেভ করেছি ফাইলটাকে।
তুই জাস্ট আমাকে দেখা তো
Just
ল্যাপটপে
screen টাকে share করো যে you are working on that.
তুই সি যে খুলে যে you have started writing the code, opening the C software that I want to see. ঠিক আছে, দেখা।
এই তো খুলেছি।
Ayanabo, don't you have the network connection in your desktop?
না আমার এতে ক্যামেরা নেই, মানে আমার যে ডেস্কটপটা আছে ওটা ক্যামেরা নেই।
না না বুঝলাম না, ক্যামেরা তুমি তো শেয়ার করাবে, তুমি তো গুগল মিটের থ্রু দিয়ে শেয়ার করো।
সিস্টেমটা চেঞ্জ হয়েছে তো এখানে বুঝতে পারছি না কোনটা দিয়ে স্ক্রিন করব।
তোর ওখানে অভিজিৎ হালদার হ্যাজ লেফট দ্য মিটিং। ম্যাম অভিজিৎ হালদারের নামটা লিখে রাখুন।
ঠিক ঠিক আছে স্যার, আমি করছি করে দেখাচ্ছি আবার। ঠিক আছে।
স্নেহা,
নেহা নেহা রয়।
ম্যাম নোট দ্য নেম অফ
Yes,
অভিজিৎ।
sir.
You now you working on the coding. You just share that thing that you are working on that. You just want to see that you are working on that. Okay, just share your screen.
Ma'am, just a minute.
All of you get ready to share your screen. Ma'am will be calling the names one by one according to its serial. We want to see that we are working. You are working.
Sir, will I share?
Hmm.
You are asked to share.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
No, your content is not showing.
No, I can't see your screen.
Your content is not being shown.
Ma'am, just a minute.
I can't see the screen. You get an option that says present now or present.
Yes, ma'am, it is showing you are representing. Sir, just a minute then.
So maybe it may take some time.
Sir, now?
No.
No, not yet. We just can see.
Just a minute. Let me stop sharing first. Then you can. I think you'll be able to share your screen. Okay. Now, Sneha, start sharing your screen again.
Okay, sir. Sir, now?
Not
No,
yet.
black,
It is same
black.
problem. Maybe some connectivity
Yeah.
problem. Acha, okay. Sneha, okay. You stop it. And now the next one is Ahona Das Ghosh. Ahona Das Ghosh. Can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, start writing. Okay, next continue.
Okay, sir.
Next one.
Next one, Debanjali Mukherjee. Debanjali Mukherjee.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am?
Just a minute.
It's coming.
Yeah.
You sharing screen with everyone.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay.
The next one.
Next one is Manisha Bharti.
Yes,
Manisha
ma'am.
Bharti. Okay. Now this is your turn to share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute. I have 1 minute. Manisha,
Yes,
what's
ma'am.
on? Share the screen.
Sir,
Yes,
can
ma'am,
I
I will
write
take it.
typing
Now,
in the
first you share the
computer?
screen that you on which you are working.
Ma'am, can you see?
Manisha,
Yes, sir.
we could see your screen. You started sharing, but nothing came out. You just
Sir,
open your just Ayanabo, hold on. I'm talking to Manisha. Manisha,
Yes,
start
sir.
share again. We couldn't see anything. Blank
So my
screen. You see. Devan yourself. Only the student who will be sharing the screen only will unmute himself or herself. Or rest of the will mute.
Sir,
Yes.
हेलो सर मैं
Yes,
लैब
What
में
Manisha.
कर रही हूँ तो
Manisha, what about? What's up?
Yeah.
सर मैं लैब पी में कर रही हूँ तो वो कैमरा स्विच नहीं हो रहा है
हाँ?
सर लैब पी में कर रही हूँ कोडिंग तो वो
ठीक
कैमरा
है,
स्विच
तुम एक
नहीं हो
काम
रहा है
करो, मोबाइल से उसका फोटो निकालो, मोबाइल से. You just take the photo and share. You just do one thing. Join with the
ओके
mobile phone with the link. Okay. You just uh, vid, take the video of it. Yeah. Hmm. Rotate it. Uh, again, no screen.
सर कैन
Okay. Now fine.
यू सी
Okay. Next one, Arnavo. Now you say.
আমি কি দেখাতে পারি?
দেখা.
প্রোগ্রামটা রান করেছি।
রান করে
বাবা তা দেখি রে দেখা কোডিং দেখা তারপরে আউটপুট
Just coding দেখা.
অপশন শেয়ার
Present now কর তাহলেই হবে. Present enter screen.
এখানে অপশনটা ডেস্কটপ মোডে করা আছে তো সেটা
Desktop মোডে করা আছে. Enter screen কর. Share enter screen অপশনটা পাচ্ছিস?
এন্টায়ার স্ক্রিন ওখানে একটা অপশন থাকবে যখন প্রেজেন্ট করছো দেখো
ওখানে এখানে অপশন আছে স্যার শেয়ারিং স্ক্রিন বলে শুধু
হ্যাঁ
সেটাই কর.
শেয়ারিং স্ক্রিনটায় যখন ক্লিক করছো তখন দেখো কি আসছে
স্টার্ট শেয়ারিং দেখাচ্ছে।
Start sharing. ঠিক আছে. তো দেখা কি এক মিনিট.
স্টার্ট নাও।
ঠিক আছে. এই তো Arnavo is presenting. ঠিক আছে. You are sharing your screen with everyone. হ্যাঁ. তারপরে কোডিংটা কোথায়?
কোডিংটা কোথায় আছে
দেখাচ্ছি স্যার দাঁড়ান। ক্যামেরা খুলছি আমি।
হুম।
দেখতে পাচ্ছেন স্যার?
একটু জুম করে দেখি। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, স্ক্রিনটা জুম করে যাবে। You have to see the code. Close কর,
কি করব স্যার?
close কর ক্যামেরাটা। হ্যাঁ। Function you have used from the at beginning you have used. At beginning you have used. At beginning ফাংশনটা ইউজ করেছিস লিঙ্ক লিস্টেড।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা এবারে আউটপুট স্ক্রিনটা বড় কর, আউটপুট স্ক্রিনটা বড় কর, ম্যাক্সিমাইজ কর।
ঠিক আছে করছি স্যার।
ইউজ করা, হ্যাঁ
কম্পাইল রান।
হ্যাঁ।
হ্যাঁ
It's very difficult to see in this way. I want to see the output. If it properly, then we'll assume that you have written correct code.
স্যার এটা এরর দেখাচ্ছে একটা।
তাহলে আর কি হলো?
ডিবাগ
এবার
করো,
ঠিক
ঠিক
কর।
আছে, এরা
Debug, start debugging. Then you will start debugging. Once you will make it a better.
এরর আইডি রিটার্ন 1 এক্সিট স্ট্যাটাস।
Yeah, you start debugging yourself, right? Sayan Rai.
নেমটাকে সেভ অ্যাজ করে নেম চেঞ্জ করো।
Sayan Rai. Who is Sayan Rai? Sayan Rai, respond.
Sorry, sir. Actually, today suffering.
Attendance নেওয়ার জন্য slow up.
না স্যার, আজকে আমার শরীরটা ভালো ছিল না।
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে তোমাকে আর you have only 20 minutes in your hand to start writing the code. Okay, you know what is the today's assignment? You have to write this one. You have to write a program which will be the reverse form of the original list. Okay, then you have to create a second list which will be the reverse form of the first one. Okay, start the code. You have to share your screen. You will decide you will leave or you will stay. If you leave, the attendance of 1 month, last 1 month. Better to open the C platform and start writing the code. Who is the next one? Madam, please call the next one. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
নেক্সট প্রিয়াঙ্কা সুর।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বলছি আমি খাতা শো করতে পারবো? মানে আসলে আমার কম্পিউটারে তো নেট নেই, আর তো আর ভোল্টেজও আপ ডাউন করছে, তো সেই কারণে যদি
So one
খাতাটা
thing
দেখায়।
that from the next internal exam, I have an announcement for you. Most of you, what you have done, I've checked your script. 60% of you, what you have done, you have used your paper and pen. Paper, pen.
ইয়েস স্যার।
But no, but I'm a bit skeptical about few of you that they have already written the program, all the programs, and just getting the program, you are just opening that one and you are making the photocopy of it, right? Not all of you, but few of you is doing this. So I will not allow all of you to do that one. Okay, so you get your system ready, because in knockout exam it may not be allowed that you will use your pen paper, right? Whatever you have to do, that will be with the system. So you will just write your answer script and you will take a photo and post it to the system. That may not be allowed, right? So right now you start using your system, you just get ready your system so that you can do all the activities with the platform only. Okay, so Priyanka, okay, right now you can do that for the time being. You just show your
ওকে স্যার।
what was the problem with your system? C is not.
Actually, my system is okay, but today there was a voltage drop. I mean, voltage or something up, down. So the UPS is just making a noise. So I think that it's better not to open the device today. That's it. Nothing much.
Okay. Show your copy. Let me see the code.
এক্সকিউজ মি স্যার, একটু
Hmm.
ডিস্টার্ব করছি স্যার, কোডটা রান করেছে।
Acha Priyanka, just hold for a minute. You just
Okay, sir.
allow Ayanabu to share. Ayanabu start sharing.
Only show us the output screen. Rotate.
Camera ta ghoda. Rotate the camera. Now zoom it. Get it closer.
Steady থাকো।
Within the 85, 15, 4, 20, 28, 4, 15, 85. Okay, now I want to see that particular function. Ayanabu,
Reverse function.
close the output screen, go to the coding screen, and you just show me that particular function where you are reversing. Zoom it, get it close to that function. Reverse, rev, swap, node star, current. Where you copied it from? Ayanabu, this was not my pattern. Why? If the code is fine, you can also you can use this one, but this actually I want you to be genuine. What you are doing, you have copied the code from net. You will get a lot of code, lot of sites from where you can copy the code. But why I am telling you that you use my pattern, that NDPTR. Where is the NDPTR? Where is the NDPTR? Huh? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka.
Yes, ma'am. Is it sharing now?
No, we are not. We are just seeing that stop sharing.
Yeah, now the screen has been shared.
Yes. Now
Continue.
particular concept. Yes.
Actually, I hadn't completed yet.
Just do it on your own, okay?
Okay, you continue. Next one.
Stop sharing, and after Priyanka, Shayon Roy. Shayon?
Priyanka, stop sharing. Next one.
Shayon Roy.
ম্যাম আমার পড়া হয়নি ম্যাম।
Yeah, it's
No,
been 5 minutes.
complete. We don't want the complete coding. We just want to see that you are working or not.
We want to see
নো ম্যাম।
on your computer or not, or you have just joined the classroom. It's a lab class, na? So all of you should be ready with your system, with your laptop or with your mobile. Okay, so all of you should be ready. It's not that you are joining with the link now, that's all. It's a lab class, no, virtual lab class. So the lab should be like a lab. Okay, next one. Though Owen has entered just
Shayon, share
Yes.
only using the queue. So share, this is your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ম্যাম দেখতে পাচ্ছেন স্যার?
Exactly. Good. Yeah. The approach is right. Okay. It's completed, Shreya.
নো স্যার এখনো
Okay. Okay. Try to finish
দেখতে
it.
পাচ্ছি।
Yeah. Next one.
Next one is show me.
ওকে স্যার ম্যাম।
Yeah. Show me.
Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Share.
Okay. Fine. Show me. Show
Ma'am,
me.
ma'am, just a minute. I'm sharing the screen. Sir, can you see the screen?
Okay. Okay. It's not completed yet, na?
No, sir.
Okay. Complete it. Next one. Fine.
Sir, may I stop my sharing?
Stop presenting.
After
Next
show
one.
me,
Okay, sir.
now Saurabh would be going to share his screen. Saurabh Dash. Share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your
দেখা যাচ্ছে স্যার?
স্ক্রিন দেখতে পাচ্ছি এবারে জাস্ট the only these few number of statements you have been able to complete. Okay.
You define the function name, but not if you share in the function name or calling the function name, but not define. Okay. Next, Udita.
Okay. There will be a semicolon after
Yes, sir.
words.
Yes, ma'am.
Sort of. Okay. Next one.
Udita.
Ma'am, can you see?
Udita has started sharing. I think. Yes, Udita.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now you enter screen. Make it enter screen. Share the entire screen.
Oh,
Udita, no, a fraction of the screen is being presented here.
sir, my entire program is not over, sir.
No. I'm talking about your presentation. What you are presenting, that is, we can see a fraction of the entire screen. You start try to share the entire screen. Jayati ma'am, could you see the entire screen?
No, completely not.
Yeah, it is not covering the entire screen.
Okay, sir, I'm taking the snapshot and sharing it on my phone, sir. 1 second, sir.
Okay. No, actually, you're presenting the way you are presenting. That mode is, I think, you should.
They should be changed.
Yeah.
Hello.
No chance. You have already got 2 chance. I am not satisfied with you at all. So you will not.
না ওইটা সাবমিট করব কোথায়?
Ma'am,
Submit
can you see my screen?
Copy করে submit করবি।
Ma'am, sir, can you see my screen?
করো কন্টেন্ট
Sir.
শেয়ার করো হ্যাঁ এবার করো জুম করো
Sir, এটাই।
ঠিক আছে just complete this one.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, stop sharing. Ayanabu, we will not accept your submission. You are disqualified. Okay. What you have done quite unethical. Now you are asking me, you are so stupid. Now you are asking me that why to submit. কাকে সাবমিট করবি আমাকেই তুমি অ্যাকসেপ্ট করব না চুরি করে কোড নিয়ে দেখাচ্ছিস সেটা সাবমিট করবি মানে চোর যদি ধরা পড়ে যায় সে বলছে আবার এই জিনিসগুলো দাও, ধরা পড়ে গেছে জিনিসগুলো চুরি করেছে, সে এবার দিতে ব্যস্ত, বিক্রি করতে ব্যস্ত, এরকম ব্যাপার আর কি। বউ বউ কথা বলছিস। নেক্সট ওয়ান।
Sir, there's only last person was Udita Roy, and she already did. And
Okay, actually it's 3:45. I think almost the session is going to be over. So anyways, that all of you except one or two persons, you are trying, but what I actually already have given you the hint that you should use that function at the beginning, so it should have been done by 10 to 15 minutes. Anyways, so you complete it and submit it to the classroom. Better what I will do, I will uh, give some assignments. Okay, so what we have done, we have discussed. I will give some assignment questions. Okay, so one of the assignments will be this, where you have to submit this one. Okay, I will give you the assignments maintaining the pattern of the previous questions of the previous semester exams in university, right? So that kind of questions as assignments I'll ask you to solve. So one of the questions will be this one, today's assignment. Okay, so let us conclude the today's session. Ma'am, anything you have to say?
okay.
Okay, then
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome students, and bye. Stay safe at your home. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye.
Bye.